Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your Rocket Money savings account. Start by opening the Rocket Money app on your phone. Log in using your username and password. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see your account balance and your list of savings goals. Tap the savings goal you want to take money from. This will open the savings goal details page. Look for the option that says Transfer or Withdraw and tap on it. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure you type in the correct amount. Next, choose where the money should go. Most of the time, this will be your linked checking account. Double-check all the details to make sure everything looks right. When you're ready, confirm the transfer. Your withdrawal will now be processed. Depending on your bank, the money should show up in your checking account in 1 to 3 business days. Now let's go over how to do this on the Rocket Money website. Open your web browser and go to the Rocket Money website. Log in with your username and password. On your dashboard, you'll see your account summary and your savings goals. Find the savings goal you want to withdraw from. Click on the Transfer or Withdraw button next to it. Type in the amount you want to take out. Then, select the destination account, which is usually your linked checking account. Review all the details carefully. When everything looks correct, click to confirm the transfer. Just like with the app, the money will be processed and should reach your bank account within 1 to 3 business days. Rocket Money does not charge any fees to withdraw from your savings goals. However, your bank might charge a fee for receiving the funds. It's a good idea to check with them if you're unsure. Before you withdraw, think about your savings plan. Ask yourself if you still need the money for what you were saving for, maybe a vacation, a down payment, or an emergency fund. If your plans have changed, withdrawing the money makes sense. But if you're still working toward that goal, it might be better to leave the money in your savings. Remember, taking money out now could affect your future plans. Use your savings carefully and stay focused on your financial goals. Rocket Money is designed to help you save and stay organized. It also protects your information with secure logins and multi-factor authentication. Your data is encrypted and checked regularly with security audits, so you can feel confident that Rocket Money keeps your savings safe. That's how to withdraw money from your Rocket Money savings account. By following these steps, you can access your funds when needed while staying on track with your goals. Thank you for watching.